friends, I'm Bo. Let's get our brains and bodies ready to read. Do you love letters? Yes, I do too. Do you know something neat about letters? Every letter has a big letter and a small letter. Do you want to meet a letter today with me? Yes? Okay, let's meet the letter A. These words start with A. Apples, ants, and arms. Apples, ants, and arms start with A. Great job! Would you like to draw the letter A with me? Yes? Okay. Which one would you like to draw first? The big A or the little A? Okay, let's draw the big A first. Move your hand up, move your hand down, swipe across the middle, now put your pen down. Great job drawing a big A. Now let's draw a little A. Draw a little circle, now give it a tail. Let's do that again, as slow as a snail. Draw a little circle, now give it a tail. Great job, friends, do you see the whale? What letter did we meet today? That's right, the letter A. Thank you for learning and moving with us. Bye for now.